Hi, in our last lecture we have covered the concept of number series. In this lecture we will proceed ahead and we will see some new patterns that teach the wrong number series and one new pattern which comes nowadays in the examination. So first we will cover this wrong number series and then we will move to that new pattern. So in a wrong number series we have to find out one wrong number which is given there in the series. So let's look it via some example. Our first question. The series is given 24, 14, 26, 17, 28, 16 and 30. So first thing I would like to tell you that in our last class we have read how to recognize the series. So by looking at the series we can conclude that this is a series which comes under either under ups and down series or two series. Okay, in ups and downs we have seen two concepts, that is either the series will be in multiplication and division form or the series will be in addition and subtraction form. So looking here we can say that definitely this multiplication and division form, either it will be in addition or subtraction form or it will be a two series concept. Okay, so first see from 24 and 14, so we will subtract minus 10 over here. From 14 to 26 we will add plus 12 over here. From 26 and 17 we will subtract minus 9 over here, and from 17 to 28 we will add plus 11 over here. So by looking at the series we don't conclude that any pattern is creating here. It's minus 10 plus 12 minus 9 plus 11. Okay, so we will go directly to two series. So two series we will look at here 24, then 14, then 26, then 17, then 28, then 16, then 30. So we will match 24 to 26, then 26 to 28 and 28 to 80. So here 24 to 26 plus 2, here 26 to 28 is again plus 2, here 28 to 30 it's again plus 2. Okay, now 14 to 17, 17 to 16. So 14 to 17 it's plus 3 and 17 to 16 it's minus 1. So here something is wrong in this. So if we add 1 over here, so it will become 15, and then 1 add over here it will become 16. So what is our wrong number? The 17 is our wrong number, because here in alternate series we see that this is correct 24, 26, 28 and 30. So this there might be some wrong in 14, 17 and 16. So adding 1 over here we get 15 and adding 1 over here we get 16. So 14 and 16 is also correct. So what is wrong over here? So 17 is wrong over here. So our answer will be 2, that is 17, option 2. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you, because in such type of question we generally have to find out which number is wrong. Now let us look at another question. The series is given 5, 6, 16, 57, 248, 12, 1245 and 7506. Now again look at the question. Now looking at the series we find that this series comes under the maximum slope. Because how we find that this series comes under the maximum slope? By looking at the series we conclude that the largest number is 7506 and the number just before that is 1245. So this is somewhere near to 6 times. Then again look back, 248 means near to 250 and 1245 near to 1250. So it is also near to 5 times. So if it is near to 6 times, if near to 5 times, so it will be near to 4 times. So this will be 3 times, this will be 2 times and this will be 1 time. Now we don't start writing from the end, rather we start it from the beginning. So how we reach up to 6 from 5? So we multiplied 1 over here and added 1 over here, so it became 6. Then how we reach from 6 to 16? So we multiplied 2 over here and added 4 over here. Then how we reach from 16 to 57? So 16 3 are 48 and plus 9 over here. Now we have learnt in our last class that by the three results the rule gets confirmed. So here the rule is into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 4 and into 3 plus 9. So we have to recognize here that what is the rule over here. So we can see that it is 4. 4 means 2 square. Then it is 9. 9 means 3 square. Now the rule is confirmed that 1 into 1 plus 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus 3 square, so it will be into 4 plus 4 square. Now we will write it into 4 plus 4 square and check whether 57 into 4 plus 4 square is 248 or not, whether 248 into 5 plus 5 square is this or not. So now check 57 into 4 plus 4 square. If it is 248, then this number will be correct, then we will move ahead. If it is not 248, then this number will be wrong. So 57 into 4, how we calculate it? By our fast calculation method, we first do 50 into 4, 200, and plus 7 into 4, 28. So 228 plus 16 over here. So 228 plus 16, that is 244. Now it is written 248. So our 248 is wrong. The wrong number is 248. So our option will be option 4. Okay, I think this question is clear to you all. Now let us move to another question. Now again we will look at this series and we will conclude that this series also comes under maximum slope concept, because we see the larger number and the smaller the number just before that is near to 2200, so it is near to 6 times. Now this number is 436 and this number is 2195, so this is near to 5 times. So this will be near to 4 times, this will be near to 3 times, this will be near to 2 times, and this will be near to 1 times. Now when we came to know that this is near to 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 times, then we start from the very beginning of the series. This is written 2 and 9. So how do we reach from 2 to 9? So we multiply 1 over here and add 7 over here. Then how we reach from 9 to 32? So we multiply 2 over here and add 14 over here. 9 to 18, 18 plus 14, that is 32. Now there seems to be some logic. Okay, then 32 and 105. So 32 into 3 we have to do, because we know that we have to multiply 1 over here, 2 over here, 3 over here, 4 over here, 5 and 6 like this. So 32 into 3, 96, and plus 9, that will be 105. Okay, now move ahead. This is 436. So 105 and 436. So how we reach here? So 105 into 4, that is 420 and plus 16. Now here into 1 by the 3 results the rule gets confirmed, but here we have written 4 results, but now we are unable to get the logic. Here it is written into 1 plus 7, into 2 plus 14, then into 3 plus 9, and into 4 plus 16. So what is the logic here? Or here something is wrong over here. Okay, so I have told you about the special case that whenever you see into 1 plus 7, just try to find it that whether it is written 7 into 1. The next number is should be 6 into 2. The third number should be 5 into 3. The fourth number should be 4 into 4. Yes, we got it. The fourth number is 4 into 4, that is 16. The first number is 7 into 1. So here the two results are wrong. So when the two results are wrong, in between one, definitely one number will be wrong over here. So okay, so first number will be into 1 plus 7, so second number should be into 2 plus 12. So we will first check that yes, here 2 into 1 plus 7, 9, 9 is correct. Then it should be into 2 plus 12. So 9 into 2, that is 18 plus 12, that is 30. So here instead of 32 it should be 30. So what is the wrong number? 32 is the wrong number. So what will be our answer? Answer will be option 5, that is 32. I hope this question is clear to you, because this is a very special type of series. Whenever you see into 1 plus 7, into 2 plus 12, into 3, into 4 plus 16, so always try to look at this series 7 into 1, 6 into 2, 5 into 3, 4 into 4 like this. And this series in one or the two exams it definitely gets repeated. Now our next question. Here also we have to find out which number is wrong. Now the series is 11, 6, 8, 12, 26, 67.5, 205.5. Now I have told you in our last lecture that whenever you see any series where the decimal comes over there, and when the second number of the series is near to half of the first number, so it must be a type of mean slope. Mean slope, that is the slope between the medium slope and the maximum slope. So it will be of the nature into 0.5 into 1 into 1.5 into 2.5 into 2, like this. So looking here, 67.5 and 205.5, it seems to be near to 67.5 and 202.5, so it is near to 3 times. Okay, then we will start from the very beginning, that here it is written 11 and here it is written 6, so it is 0.5 plus 0.5, then 6 and 8, so here it is written into 1 plus 1, no, into 1 plus 2, then here it should be into 1.5 plus something, so 8 into 1.5, it is written directly 12. So I think something must be wrong up to here. Okay, then 12 and 26, so into 2 plus 2, then 26 and 67.5, so it is into 2.5 plus 2.5. How? 26 into 2.5 means 13 into 5, that is 65, and plus 2.5, that comes 67.5. Now the rule is confirmed, that the rule is into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5. So now check from here, 11 into 11 into 0.5 plus 0.5, 6, correct. Then 6 into 1 plus 1, it should be 7, not 8. So 8 is your wrong number. So your option will be option number 1, that is 8. I think you have got this. This question was based on the mean slope. Now this question. Now most of the question on wrong number series you will find in the examination that will be either on maximum slope or the mean slope. Now looking at this question, we conclude that it is near to 13,500 and it is near to 40,000. So it's near to 3 times. Okay. Now just look back. It is near to 3,500 and it is near to 13,500. So it is somewhere 4 times. So it is somewhere 5 times. So it is somewhere 6 times. So it will be definitely 7 times and 8 times. Now one number will be wrong here. So we will write 3 into 8, that is 24, and minus 8, it will be 16. So we will write here 3, 16, 113, 673, 3361, like this. So 3 into 8, 24, minus 8, 16. Okay, 16 into 7, 112, plus 1, that is 113. Then 113 into 6, that is 678, and it's minus 5. So by looking at the three result, it seems that some number must be wrong, either 3, 16 or 113, because the rules are not getting. Okay, now we will write another result, 673 and 3361. So 673 into 5. So 673 into 5, we have read in our basic calculation chapter that how to calculate any number, how to multiply any number by 5. So here it's written 673 into 5. So we don't multiply any number by 5. We just multiply the number by 10 and divide it by 2. So it will become 6730 upon dividing by 2. 3365. Now 3365 and here it's 3361. So we will subtract 4 over here to reach 3361. Now the rules are getting confirmed. The rules are into 6 minus 5 into 5 minus 4, that so it will be 3361 and 13441. this will be near to into 4 minus 3. So let's check whether it's into 4 minus 3. If it will be into 4 minus 3, the rule will get confirmed. So we will check some unit digit. Unit digit will be 4 into 1, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. Yes, correct. Now the rule is confirmed. The rule is into 6 minus 5 into 5 minus 4 into 4 minus 3. So here it will be into 8 minus 7, and here it will be into 7 minus 6. So we will write here into 8 minus 7. 3 8 is 24, and 24 minus 7. So this is not 16. This is 17. Now we come to know that this 16 is our wrong number. So our option will be option 3, that is 16. Okay. Now we will move ahead and we will look some new pattern which nowadays comes in the examination, either in the pre-examination or mostly in the mains examination. Mains examination you will find at least 2 questions on the basis of this pattern. What is this pattern all about? In each of the following question, a number series is given. After the series, a number is given followed by A, B, C, D, and E. You have to complete the series starting with the number given, following the sequence of the given series, and answer the questions given below the series. So here basically what you have to do, that you have to find the logic in the series given, and the logic you have to apply in the next number which is given in the very beginning. Let's see. Here the series is given 3, 40, 176, 537, 1078 and 1079. So here you have to find the logic, by what logic this series is completed, and then you have to start by the number 1, and you have to apply the same logic starting with the number 1, and you have to find it whether A, B, C, D or E. That will be there given in the question. So here in this question we have to find what is E. So how we do it? We first have to recognize the slope. So slope here seems to be somewhere near to 1 times. This slope seems to be here 1078 and 537, it's near to be 2 times. So here it is near to 3 times, so it will definitely be 4 times, and it will definitely be 5 times. So now what we will do here, so we will start from the beginning, that is 3 into 5, 15 plus 25. Now 40 into 4, 160 plus 16, 176. Now 176 into 3, so 170 into 3 is 510, and 6 into 3 is 18, so it is 528. 528 plus 9, that is 537. Now the rule is confirmed by the 3 results: into 5 plus 25, into 4 plus 16, and into 3 plus 9. Here looking at the rules, we find that into 5 plus 25, that is 5 square, into 4 plus 16, that is 4 square, and into 3 plus 9, that is 3 square. So the rule is confirmed, this will be into 2 plus 2 square, and this will be into 1 plus 1 square. Now this logic we have to apply in this number starting with number 1. So here we will do 1 into 5 plus 5 square, that is 30. So your A will be 30. Then 30 into 4 plus 4 square, that is 120, and 16, 136. So B will be 136. Then 136 into 3 plus 3 square, this will be 417. So C will be 417. Then 417 into 2 plus 2 square, so this will be 838. And 838 into 1 plus 1 square, that will be 839. So this is E, 839 is E. So your answer will be 839, that is option 1. So nowadays you will find this type of pattern in mains examination. Okay, we will look at the another question. The series here is 9, 10, 16, 57, 212, 1085. So again here we have to find the logic in the first, and we have to apply the logic starting with the number 2, and we have to find what is C. So how do we find what is the logic here? So we first, slope method is the ultimate method. We just try to find which type of slope it is. So here the larger number is 1085, number just before that is 212. So here seems that it's a concept on maximum slope, or this is near to 5 times. So if it is near to 5 times, check it whether it is near to 4 times. So 57 and 20, yes, it is 4 times. So it is near to 3 times. So it's near to 2 times, and it's near to 1 times. Now from 9 to 10, so it is into 1 plus 1. Now from 10 to 16, so it is into 2 minus 4. Then from 16 to 57, how we reach here? So into 3 plus 9. Now by the three rules, by the three results, the rule gets confirmed. The rule is here into 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 9. So this is 2 square and this is 3 square. So the rule is confirmed that this will definitely be into 4 minus 4 square, and 212 into 5 plus 5 square, that will be 1085. Now the same rule we have to apply here, starting with the number 2. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 into 2 minus 4. So 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then, so this is A, this is B. Then 2 into 3 plus 9. So 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 9, that is 15. So your C, what is C? C is 15. So here our option 2, that is 15, will be the correct answer. Okay, we will look at the another question. 3, 12, 30, 66, 138, 282, and we have to find the logic in this question, and the same logic we have to apply here, starting with the number 7. Now how do we find the logic here? So again the slope method is the ultimate method. So we will try to find the slope. Here it's 282 and here it's near to 130, it means 140, and it's 280, so it seems to be near to 2 times. Here it's 66 and 138, it also seems to be near to 2 times. So it is also near to 2 times. So it is also near to 2 times, and it is also near to 2 times. So we will write here 3 into 2, 6. So into 2 plus 6. 12 into 2, 24 into 2 plus 6. 30 into 2, 60 plus 6. Now the rule is confirmed. Into 2 plus 6, into 2 plus 6, into 2 plus 6. Now we don't need to check over here. By the three results, the rule gets confirmed. So here we will start with 7. So 7 into 2, 14 plus 6, 20. So A will be 20. Then 20 into 2, 40 plus 6, 46. So B will be 46. Now we have to find what is B. So here B is 46. So option 3 will be our correct option. Now we will look another question. The question is 4, 2, 3, 7.5, 26.25, 118.125. Now again we will find the logic here, and we will apply those logic starting with the number 6. Now how to recognize this series? Again the slope method. Now what the slope method tells? First see the larger number. The larger number here is 118. The number just before that is near to 26.25. If you consider it 26 and if you consider it 118. Now the looking at this number, we just conclude that this is near to 4 and 5, in between 4 and 5 times, because 26 5 26 into 5 is near to 130, and 26 into 4 is near to 112. So 118 lie between 113 and 112, so it will be near to 4.5 times. Okay, so it is near to 4.5 times. Now look at the first number in the series and the second number in the series. The first number in the series is 4 and the second number is 2. So it says that it is 0.5, that is half. Then looking at 2 and 3, it says that it is into 1.5. Now looking at 3 and 7.5, it says that into 2.5. Now the rule is confirmed. The rule is into 0.5 into 1.5 into 2.5, so it will be into 3.5, and we have calculated that it's into 4.5. Now you will apply the same logic over here. A will be your 3. Now B, 3 into 1.5. So 3 into 1.5 is 4.5. Now C, 4.5 into 2.5. So how we calculate it? So there are two methods to calculate it. Once I have told you that just forget this decimal for some time and it becomes 45 into 25, and I have explained you how to calculate the two number which ends with 5 at the unit digit. Okay, and you can do it by some another method, that you can write it 44.5 into 2 plus zero point 0.5. So 4.5 into 2 is 9, and half of 4.5 is 2.25, so it becomes 11.25. So here your option will be 11.25. This is not 11.25, this is not, this is not, this is not. So fifth, none of these will be our correct answer. So I think question number 4 is clear to you all. Now we will move ahead. Now this question number 5, 2, 3, 10, 39, 172, 885. Now looking at this, can we can conclude what is the slope here? The slope is maximum, minimum, or mean slope. So here it is near to 170 and it is near to 885 or 880. So it is near to 5 times. So 39 into 172. So 40 and 170, it is near to 4 times. So it is near to 3 times. So it will be near to 2 times and it will be near to 1 times. Now what the rule says here, that start from the very beginning. So here it's 2 and 3. So how you reach to 3 from 2? So you multiplied 1 over here and added 1 over here. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 into 2. So into 2 plus 4. Then into 3 plus 9. Now the rule is confirmed. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 4, into 3 plus 9. That is, this is 2 square, this is 3 square. Now you will apply the same logic over here. 5 into 1 plus 1, that is 6. So A is your 6. Then 6 into 2 plus 2 square. 6 into 12 is 6 into 2 is 12 plus 4, that is 16. B will be 16. Then what is 6? C. So C is 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 48 plus 9, that is 57. 57. Now D. D is 57 into 4 plus 4 square. So 57 into 4 is how much? So 57. How you calculate 57 into 4? So 50 into 4 is 200 and 7 into 4 is 28. So it comes out to be 228 plus 16, that is 244. So 244 is our answer. So here option 1. So guys, here the trick also matters, that how you are approaching the question, and you have to focus on the speed also, that your calculation must be very fast, else you will lose the examination. So in today's world, what matters the most is your speed as well as your accuracy, both. You don't have to make any single mistake in the examination which you are knowing. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope the concept on number series is clear to you all. We have discussed all the types that comes in the examination, and we have, on the basis of that, we have covered the wrong number series and one special type of series which comes nowadays in the examination. So thank you. Rest we will do in our next lecture. Thank you.